Hey, today we're going to take a walking tour of the downtown of Donnelly, Idaho. Let's go check it out. So over here we have the Oriental cuisine. They actually moved to Donnelly from McCall whenever it was bought out by Brunchette. I believe it used to be down there, and they've moved here. I know people that ride their side-by-side over No Business Road from Council to eat here every weekend, so it must be good. Then we have this Roseberry coffee shop where I got my pink drink, which tastes really good. It's a tea with coconut milk in it. It's a great place. They have Wi-Fi, hang out there, enjoy a drink, or meet up with friends. The Donnelly hardware store is brand new, just came into town. Before, if you wanted something from the hardware store, you'd have to drive to McCall or to Cascade, but now they have their own. So as you can see, Donnelly is growing. Post office is right downtown, and we did mention in a video before where they close for their lunch hour. Donnelly downtown isn't huge, but it's packed with a lot of restaurants, places to eat out. This is the Roost, and it does have a full bar across the street from Cougar Dave's. I think that there are only 2 places in town with their liquor license. Here's another coffee place. It's great to grab breakfast in the morning. They have different types of muffins and breakfast burritos. The library, which they're actually talking about closing because of some kind of like book controversy. Then you have Ragazza, an Italian restaurant, and then a tapas restaurant by the same owner next door. And they're the same ones that now currently own Bistro that moved to the downstairs underneath the yacht club out on the lakeside in McCall, Idaho. Now we're on the other side of the street. One thing that Donnelly is known for is the Huckleberry Festival. That happens every summer. There are vendors just lined on both sides of the street, and everybody has taken huckleberries and has done something with it, whether it's ice cream or muffins or pies. They have everything you can think of, like different kinds of jams on burgers and So Donnelly doesn't have a grocery store, but at the Sinclair, they actually carry a lot of different grocery items. And so if you're not wanting to drive to McCall or to Cascade, you can grab some items at the Sinclair. So the town of Donnelly builds up because you're right by Tamarack Ski Resort. So you're just 8 miles, like the sign says. You head straight down Roseberry and take a left onto West Mountain. You also have access to the Cascade Lake, and there's a popular fishing bridge that's right down this road. So we just turned on Roseberry and we're coming towards Tamarack. On the left-hand side of the road is where people will rent U-Haul trucks from, and that's if you live in McCall or Cascade. This is the U-Haul rental place right here in Donnelly. As you come further down, we've got the Donnelly Fire Department. Plenty of storage units. That's another thing that's here in Donnelly. There's not a ton in McCall or Cascade, so if you're looking for a storage unit, Donnelly has the majority of them. So now we're here at Roseberry Plaza West, right down Roseberry Road, and we've got the Alpine Ski. If you have an old set of skis, or if you're coming with kids, you might want to buy your stuff here because they offer used ski equipment or used sporting goods. They used to be located at the place by Albertsons in McCall, and now they've moved here into Donnelly. I think it was last year this Ivory's Donuts and Treats opened up. They have donuts every morning, and then we have Growler's Pizza that has salad bar and different pizzas, which they also have a location in McCall. And then you have a branch of Cascade Medical Center that's come out here for the urgent care, which is also new for the Donnelly area. So as you can see, this town is really growing. So we just came from Highway 55, and now we're on the east side of Roseberry, and this is where there's Donnelly Elementary School and where they have the super famous farmers markets in Donnelly. The farmers market here in Donnelly is bigger than McCall's or Cascades. It brings people from all over, so I thought it was definitely worth pointing out. So thanks for taking our walking tour around the town of Donnelly. As you can see, Donnelly is growing, so if you're looking to invest in Donnelly or buy some real estate here, I'm Teia Golden, and give me a call. I'm happy to answer questions anytime.